Want that hand-drawn scribble highlight on your videos? In CapCut, you can make it in minutes. Today I'll show you a beginner workflow. We'll draw a scribble. Save it as a PNG, then drop it on top in CapCut. Open Paint, 3D or any drawing app. Step 1. Make a simple scribble. Click Brushes, pick a thick brush, choose your color. Now draw your shape, circle, arrow, underline, anything. Step 2. Make the background transparent. Click Canvas, turn on Transparent Canvas. Step 3. Save it as a PNG. Press Menu, click Save As. Choose Image, pick PNG. CapCut time. Open CapCut on PC. Step 4. Import your video and your PNG. Click Import. Select both files. Click Open. Step 5. Build your timeline. Drag your video to the timeline first. Now drag the scribble PNG above the video. That's your overlay layer. Step 6. Fit it to your shot. Click the scribble on the preview. Drag to position. Pull the corners to resize. Step 7. Control timing. Drag the ends of the PNG clip to make it shorter or longer. Step 8. Make it feel animated. Click the PNG clip. Go to Animation. Add an in like pop or fade in. Add an out like fade out. Want it even smoother? Lower the opacity a bit. Click Video Settings. Find Opacity. Drag it down slightly. Optional trick. Copy it for emphasis. Click the PNG clip. Press Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. Stagger the copies. That's it. Scribble overlay. Done. If this helped, save it for later and follow for more CapCut basics.